Hey everybody, Sam Wolf with Weather Tite Exteriors out here in Summerset, South Dakota. It is June 25th. Pretty big hailstorm rolled through last night, June 24th, up to 3-inch size hail. We're out here kind of assessing some of the damage on some of the roofs out here. Some pretty big hits to some shingles. Right there, you got a pretty big one. Up to about baseball size hail. You can tell some of the damage that it did to a lot of your soft metals, your turtle vents, again, more hits to your shingles. So if you know anybody in the area that is looking for an inspection, go ahead and have them call Weather Tite Exteriors. Thanks.